my spare time, I'm a huge conspiracy theorist. Like, I look at it all. And I believe some, and I don't believe other stuff. But on Saturday, my aunt asked me if I had read the book by Dean Koontz, the book called The Eyes of Darkness. Since the coronavirus media frenzy, I guess, has begun, I have been all over it, looking on YouTube, Facebook, anywhere, posting it all over my Facebook, because I believe that there is a bigger picture with this, that these books are written and it's like prophecy. I don't understand. So did Dean Koontz know something back in the 80s that was going to happen now? Or is it the opposite? This was written and imagined by Dean Koontz, and the government has now made it reality? The book is about a virus. In the book, Dean Koontz tells about a Chinese military lab that creates a virus as part of its biological weapons program. And guess where it's created? Wuhan, which leads the virus's name in the book, Wuhan 400. It's a chilling literacy coincidence for sure. Or Dean Koontz is some kind of prophet. It was around that time that a Chinese scientist named Li Chen moved to the United States while carrying a floppy disk of data from China's most important and dangerous new biological weapon. They call it Wuhan 400 because it was developed in their rDNA laboratory just outside the city of Wuhan. What are the coincidences? So let's now talk about Dr. Charles Lieber, chair of Harvard University's Department of Chemistry and Chemical Biology. He was arrested by federal agents with supposedly lying to the DoD, Department of Defense, about allegedly secret monthly payments of $50,000 paid by China and receipts allegedly of millions more. This was to allegedly set up a chemical biological research laboratory in China. Also who was arrested were 2 Chinese students working as research assistants with the doctor. One who was actually a lieutenant in the Chinese army. The other captured at Logan Airport as he tried to catch a flight to China, allegedly smuggling 21 vials of sensitive biological samples. This is according to the FBI. The research lab the professor had helped set up was located at the Wuhan University of Technology. Wuhan, China is ground zero to the potentially global pandemic known as the coronavirus, which is spreading rapidly and killing people. I think it's interesting about Dean Koontz's book, and then we have this doctor, and it isn't discussed. This book is not discussed in the media. So we have a thriller, Wuhan 400 in 1981, and then we have coronavirus in 2019. Coincidental? I think not. This so-called fiction is turning out to be something different. As the saying goes, there is no smoke without a fire. Like, subscribe, share, or don't.